Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel again. I hope you all are doing well in this beautiful winter season. Today I am teaching you silver glitter hearts nail art design occasion of Valentine Day. Another great decision, another great design for beginners. These simple silver hearts will stand out and make your nails shine. Step number 1 you should have to follow. Start by painting your nails with a black nail polish. Step 2 using a nail art brush and a silver nail polish. Create a small V shape or heart on the lower right corners of your thumb and ring fingernails. Step number 3 using the same tool and nail polish. Create a bigger V shape or heart on your upper left corners of your thumb and ring fingernails. Step number 4 apply a layer of silver glitter nail polish to the hearts. Step number 5 finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful silver glitter nail art ready to show off. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query about this design, please let me comment below. Are you on the hunt of silver nail designs that everyone will be envious of? Perhaps silver is the perfect sparkly shade to go with that designer dress. You have just spent a month's rent on those shoes that you bagged a few weeks ago that were in the sale. If you want something that will make you stand out from the crowd, we have found a few beauties that you should definitely take a peek at. Long, short, big, square, round, matte, shiny. We have found something for you, and we have a feeling that you are going to love someone of this. Make yourself comfortable and don't forget to let us know your favorite silver nail art design. I hope you like today's my video. If you have any query about this silver nail art design, you can comment me and email me as you wish. Thank you very much for watching my video. Happy winter.